Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change Waze into walking mode. Waze is designed primarily for driving data, so it does not provide routes, especially for walking. If you want to navigate on foot, you may need to use Google Map or another pedestrian-friendly navigation app instead. However, in Waze, you can change your vehicle type. Just click on the blue pop-up, and you can select different types of vehicle. For example, you can select taxi, you can select motorcycle, and you can select private cars. Just click on OK, and your vehicle will be selected. To navigate to a destination, just enter the destination or just click on your saved destination. Click on Go now, and your navigation will start automatically. To find another route for the same destination, just click on the icon on the bottom right, and it will calculate different routes for the same destination. As you can see, for this particular destination, there's only one route, so I will just click on Resume. Using the correct vehicle type ensures more accurate ETAs and navigation instruction. Even if you are driving through areas with vehicle-specific road rules, Waze will always provide real-time traffic updates and alert regardless of your vehicle choice. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos